Hello friends, bonjour. Welcome to the French learning session. My name is Mandeep and I am your instructor for the French language learning. You can take the learning sessions from us and contact us on the given below numbers for the more details and for the learning packages. And today I am back with a new learning session of the French alphabets, which we call l'alphabet en français, which means alphabets in French. So we will be starting this exciting session to learn the base of the foreign language, and this will be very helpful. So let's get started with the alphabets in French. L'alphabet en français. First of all, we have alphabet A. We have the pronunciation in brackets for your use. You can copy them and write them down. You can practice with me the pronunciation. You can follow with me when I pronounce any word. Then after you can pronounce the same alphabet. For example, you have a word here, français, that is a complete word which represents French. So français, French. L'alphabet, l'alphabet, which means alphabet. En, this is en, which means in. L'alphabet en français, which means alphabets in French. So let's get started with the pronunciation. Brackets have all the pronunciations for your use. So let's start with A. It is pronounced as A. Then B. Then we have C, D, E, F. Okay, let's try. Yourself. You try yourself. Yes, that's right. B, yes. C, D, E, F. You are getting it right. So you are learning it. So next is J. Then H, E, G, K, L. Then we have M, which is more or less same. N, O, P. P is denoted as a pronunciation by me as pay, as we pay something. So let's start again. J, H, E. Yeah, that's right. You are pronouncing it very well. You are pronouncing correctly. G. Then we have K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. It is represented by a Q. We make a Q, a line for something. So you have to pronounce it in the way of English for representing Q as an alphabet. Then we have R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the all alphabets. So class, let's start from Q where we left. Yes, Sachin, you start. Q, yes, Q, Q, R, S, yes, that's right, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, that's right. So you are learning it. It is the base. You should always remember all these pronunciations. I am just reiterating or reminding again that all the pronunciations are given in the bracket. So do not mix them up. We have the alphabets which are the same as in English, but the pronunciation is different. So focus on the pronunciation, you'll learn it very quickly and very easily. So thanks for watching this video, and you can contact us at the given numbers on your video screen, and we will provide you the learning packages, as well as you can call us for the more details and information. Thank you very much. Merci.